Pari and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic. But before that, if you're new here, I'm Param, a professional makeup and hair artist. So if you're interested in makeup and hair related content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. Now let's begin. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic. We all love applying makeup. Makeup adds a boost to our confidence. But while applying makeup, there are a few things that we need to be careful about. The first and the most important thing is hygiene. Even if you are not practicing makeup professionally and only doing makeup on yourself, still hygiene is of most importance. Used brushes have product deposited on them. The product decay could attract bacterial contamination, and when you use the same brush on your skin again, it could lead to contamination of your skin, leading to skin allergies and acne. So the easiest way to avoid such problems is to clean your used makeup brushes and tools every time you use them. Now some of you might argue that if you clean your brushes every time you use them, this could lead to the brushes losing their hair at a much faster rate. And I do understand that brushes are very expensive and good quality ones do not come cheap. But I believe that it is better to spend money on buying more brushes rather than spending them on a dermatologist when you have a skin condition which could give you a lot of stress and anxiety. A lot of people follow different ways of cleaning their makeup tools. I will be sharing with you two of them which I do. There are different ways of cleaning makeup brush. One of it is to purchase a makeup brush cleaner. So I have one from Stylpro. I will link it in the description box if you're interested in purchasing it. Along with this, there comes a makeup brush cleaner liquid. So there is this liquid which you pour it into this and then you can put the brushes inside and clean it. I will show you how it works. It consists of one unbreakable bowl, the Stylpro device which runs on 2 AAA batteries, and 8 flexible silicone collars of varying sizes to fit different brushes. Add a little brush cleaning liquid in the bowl, about 3 tablespoons roughly. I then add about half a cup of water in it. Now choose a fitting collar as per the size of the brush and push the brush handle into it. Next, stick the collar to the Stylpro device. Softly dunk the brush into the bowl and dip it a few times so the brush is wet. Now switch the device on so the brush starts rotating. Slowly move the brush up and down for a few seconds. Gradually lift the brush out of the liquid but keep it inside the bowl and leave it to spin for a few seconds. Switch the device off and you get a clean brush. The same liquid can be used to clean a lot of brushes. The brush cleaner is currently priced at Rs 7,000. A makeup brush cleaner is very effective. It cleans the brushes very fast, especially if you have a large number of brushes to clean, it's very good. Also, since it semi-dries the brushes, the drying process of the brushes is also reduced. However, it is very expensive. So most of us will not be able to afford it. So I have brought you an easier method of cleaning the brushes. One of the easiest and simplest methods of cleaning your makeup brushes and sponges is to use a baby shampoo. I use one from Johnson & Johnson because I feel it is most effective. You can use any other baby shampoo. One of the things that you need to make sure when you use a baby shampoo is that it takes a little time to remove the dirt and makeup from the makeup brush. Otherwise, it's super cool. Another thing that you can use along with the baby shampoo when you're cleaning your brushes is to use a brush cleaner pad. This one I got from Miniso. You can get one from Nykaa or any other store these days. I will link the one from Nykaa in the description box below. So you need to just wet the brush along with the baby shampoo and then rub the brush on this pad so that the brushes become clean in a much faster rate. Let me show you how it works. Take some water in a big bowl and add a few drops of baby shampoo. Mix it. Now drop in your soiled makeup brushes and let them soak for a couple of minutes. Don't soak them longer as the water can loosen the glue at the stem of the brush, leading to hair fallout from them. Now take a brush and gently rub it on the cleaner pad. Swirl it in light circular motions across various surfaces until the brush is clean. Once done, rinse the brush in clean water and lay it out on a towel to air dry. The beauty blenders can also be cleaned in a similar fashion by soaking them in shampoo water and rubbing over the cleaning pad. Once cleaned, squeeze the soap water and rinse out of clean water again before leaving it to air dry on a towel or on a beauty blender stand. Once you have completed cleaning the brushes and sponges, make sure that you line them on a towel and let them air dry. This will help the brushes hold on to their shape. And that's it, you guys. That is how I clean my makeup brushes and sponges. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be eagerly waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.